Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am opening a Matthews muslin unbleached cloth, or whatever you call these things. I ordered this to play around with light and bouncing light and diffusing light. So I'll just unbox it and then we'll try out a few different ways of using it. So I'll give you a close-up of the label in case you're interested in the exact model, etc. I'll leave the links below. It is nice to see that it is actually completely sealed, so you know no one else has used it, and it's brand new, which is nice. Let's cut it open. Not sure if this is in frame. My scissors a bit blunt. Okay, here we go. So this is a 6x6 foot. I think they come in 8x8 and 12x12, but I just thought I'd start with a smallish one. So it's just I think a cotton sort of fabric. Comes with these mounting strings or whatever we call them. Also this sort of hook elastic thing and these eyelets. So you've got all different options of how you can hang it. You can, hang it by the loops or the holes, or put it on, I think you can put it on one of those scrim things as well. I'll just give you a close-up of the fabric. I don't know if the camera will pick this up because it's a bit hard to focus, but it's sort of like a cottony type unbleached, so a little bit yellow, and should give a soft warm light hopefully. And I'm hoping to hang this up and then shine light into it and then maybe through it as well. We'll try depending on how my light goes because it's only a 60 watt. So I'll leave you for now and then I'll set up the room and we'll see what it looks like. See you then. All right, so I've got the muslin set up on the pole there and the light shining into it. And what do you think? Is the light any good? Do you like this sort of light? Just experimenting with different setups. So what I'll do in a minute is I'll reverse it and we'll shine the light into it. But yeah, this is what it looks like with this setup, which is pretty easy to set up. It's just a light shining into a cloth, and I've just got this to just catch some of the bounce back if there is any. Yeah, what do you think? What does it look like? Let me know in the comments. And now we'll switch over to shining through the muslin. So I'm not sure if this light will be strong enough, but we'll give it a go. All right, so I've got it shining through the muslin now. It's about, I don't know, maybe 70 or centimeters or a meter from the cloth, and then I'm about arm length from the cloth. So let's say an arm length from the cloth and then another arm length from the cloth to the light. Camera settings are the same, 1/50 of the second, f3.5 because it's the lowest this lens can go. This is the Sony 30mm macro on the Sony a6600, and I've got it quite a higher ISO. I think it's 1250. So just because the light is not quite powerful enough, I'm using the Niwa or the Godox. They're all the same, SL60. So it really needs more of a light to give it some oomph, but it's still all right. The ISO, hopefully it'll hold up. I can't see it on the little screen there, but hopefully it'll be all right. And what do you think? I'll just put the side by side up so you can have a look and see what you think. Let me know in the comments which setup was better. Did you think the bounce light was nicer, or do you think this diffusion sort of style going through the muslin is a nicer look? Let me know in the comments and I'll let you know what I think as well. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful in some way. It's a bit of experimental work for me at the moment. I just thought I'd share it with you all in case it helps you in some way. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's chat in the comments. Bye.